Hello again, ladies and gentlemen. Jeff Goodwin here, Ninja Forex Trader. So far, I'll give you a brief introduction to myself. I've very briefly introduced you to the Ninja V70 strategy, and I've also introduced the sessions profile volume. Now I'm going to show you, if you have a free version of TradingView, how to do the same thing I was doing on the paid for version. Here we go. So I just go to, that looks a bit busy, I go here. So what I'm going to do right now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to remove what I put on, because I want to imagine that wasn't there. Okay, that's not there. Yeah, I know we can see these lines, and I'll remove them as well. So now this here, how did I get this on? Yeah, I just went simply right click, go to settings at the bottom, left click, and look for appearance. Notice this little thing that's ticked. Yeah, now why is that important? Because that tells me when one day starts and one day closes. And that's really important for using the free version of TradingView. So to get that, the tool you can use very similar, but using a couple of extra clicks. What I'm going to do, I'll go over here in a minute, over to the left. You have to just click on there, and then click on the very first candle, and then click on the very last candle after you've done this. And I'll show you that right now. And this one is called, if you look down here, fixed range of volume profile. So this is if you've got a free one. So it's left click once, fixed range volume profile. What I then do is the very first candle, I click on anywhere, top, and then drag that, and I left click again on that. And guess what? It draws this line. And then once you're in that, you can change the settings in a similar style. Yeah. The only thing is you can't do is you can't extend numbers. The numbers I've got in here different. So I'll show you how to change these. So I'll go there. I'll do ticks per row. This, I think I had that on. No, it was on 5. This one was total style, and there grey, and that was blue. But I'll just keep this one red for just now, just so you can see the difference. And I'll press. Oh, so that's what it's like at the default. So just set that for you. That's what it comes like. Okay. So now I'm going to change this to ticks per row again. I'm going to change this to 5. Change this to total, so you can see it changing in front of your eyes. Click that one. I make this one grey, have that one grey, and have that one blue, and have that one that matching blue as well. Yeah. Press save as. So I'm going to press it in there, but just press OK. So that's it there, ladies and gentlemen. So let's just draw those 3 lines again, will we? So this is the fixed range volume profile. It's the first one there. So we'll have to do it the day before. So we're trading, if the day opens here, we do it just the day before. Got that one there. The grey and the blue, that one there. And this one here, just pop it on top of there. That's it. And that would be the first target there, come down. I would hit it again, then I would come back up 3 times. So it's a quick way how to introduce fixed range volume profile. Have a great day, and what I'll do is I'll see you in the next video, and see you at the top.